Looking for the best resin 3D printers to suit your needs? In this video, we're diving into some of the top options available right now. Before we begin, don't forget to check out the links in the description to find the best deals within your budget. Let's get Number 1. ELEGOO Mars 5 Ultra. A resin 3D printer designed to deliver unmatched detail and efficiency. Featuring inclined release technology, it reduces release force, accelerates print speeds, and improves success rates for a streamlined experience. The 9K resolution on its 7 inches monochrome LCD screen 8520x4320 combined with an 18 by 8 micrometer XY resolution brings models to life with crisp textures and intricate details, ensuring smooth prints. The AI smart camera continuously monitors the process, detecting warping and errors in real time for immediate corrections. The auto-leveling system eliminates the hassle of manual adjustments. Simply start printing with confidence. Additionally, the intelligent mechanical sensor prevents potential damage by detecting resin residue, low resin levels, and leveling failures, issuing timely alerts to avoid complications. Built for professionals and hobbyists alike, the Mars 5 Ultra combines cutting-edge technology with ease of use. Thank you so much for watching today's video. If you enjoyed it, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. Your support means the world to me. I always look forward to reading your comments and hearing your thoughts. So, be sure to drop a comment down below. Let me know what you'd like to see next on this channel. Number 2. Anycubic Photon Mono M7 Pro. Delivers unmatched speed and precision with its cutting-edge technology with an ultra-fast printing speed of up to 170 mm/hour using high-speed resin at a 0.1 mm layer thickness and 130 mm/hour for standard resin. This printer shatters traditional limits. This speed boost translates to shorter project times without sacrificing quality, making it a game-changer for professionals and hobbyists alike. Equipped with a high-precision 14-karat monochrome LCD screen boasting a 13:312x5 120 resolution and a remarkable 16.8x 24.8 micrometers XY resolution, the M7 Pro captures even the finest details. It can print holes as small as 0.3 mm in diameter, ensuring intricate designs and lifelike textures. Precision meets innovation in the Number 3. Phrozen Sonic Mighty 8K. Strikes the perfect balance. This high-resolution machine features a 10 inches monochrome LCD screen with a stunning 7680 by 420 resolution, ensuring every detail is captured with precision. Its spacious 218x 123mm build volume supports large-scale projects and batch printing with ease. The responsive touchscreen interface ensures a user-friendly experience, guiding you through setup and calibration without the need for constant manual reference. A built-in tutorial assists with leveling and test prints, making it accessible even to beginners. One standout feature is the ability to adjust exposure settings directly on the printer. An invaluable tool when experimenting with different resins. The print adhesion is well balanced, allowing models to release smoothly from the build plate with minimal effort. In a test run, we printed a dozen highly detailed gaming miniatures in just over 4 hours, demonstrating the machine's efficiency and quality. Breaking barriers in resin printing, the Number 4. ELEGOO Saturn 4 Ultra. Pushes resin printing to new heights with a 12K monochrome LCD, delivering sharp, highly detailed prints with a 10.1-inch screen and a 218.8x 122.8 by 228x 220 mm build volume. It offers ample space for ambitious projects. Its 19x 24 micron XY resolution ensures precision, making it a solid choice for professionals and enthusiasts alike. One of the standout features is the tilting resin VAT, a first in desktop resin printers. Instead of pulling prints straight up, which can cause suction stress and potential failures, the Saturn 4 Ultra gently peels each layer with a tilting motion. This innovation improves print success rates and speeds up the process without requiring expensive proprietary film. User convenience is at the forefront with auto-leveling, a built-in print monitoring camera for remote viewing and time-lapse creation, and a redesigned tilt-back hood for easy access. Connectivity options include USB and WFI, allowing for seamless file transfers. ELEGOO has focused on refining internal mechanics rather than gimmicks, making this printer reliable, efficient, and cost-effective. For those seeking top-tier resin printing without sacrificing space, the Number 5. Formlabs Form 4 is a cutting-edge resin 3D printer designed for professionals and businesses that demand precision, speed, and reliability. Built with a robust structure and an intuitive interface, this machine pushes the boundaries of stereolithography technology, offering an effortless printing experience with unmatched results. Equipped with a spacious 200x125x210mm build volume, the Form 4 accommodates a wide range of applications from rapid prototyping to end-use part production. Its advanced 4K LCD resolution combined with a refined 50-micron XY resolution ensures intricate details and smooth surface finishes without compromising on speed. The integrated 7-inch color touchscreen simplifies operation while smart sensors handle auto-leveling, resin monitoring, and print status tracking for seamless workflow integration. The Form 4 introduces a powerful print engine optimized for efficiency, reducing print times to under 2 hours across all compatible materials. Its ecosystem supports 23 specialized resins, while Form 4B expands compatibility to 37 biocompatible options catering to industries such as dentistry, engineering, and product design. Enhanced with an improved resin wiper, flip-top lid, and non-stick glass surface, this printer ensures consistent performance. The